Forever, ever, hold it, never mind. Oh,
Hello, I welcome you all to Soul Tarot. My Capricorns, कैसे हैं आप लोग? So we are doing a reading today. हमारे मकर राशि वालों के लिए what is the end of May bringing, full moon, lunar eclipse bringing. Let's dive into your reading. It's all time stamped. I'm burning a Palo Santo so that I clear the energy for us, for you, for the reading. Sending you good energies, good vibes, and I hope आप लोग सब safe है. Stay safe, stay grounded because COVID has been very tough for all of us. It's time stamped, guys. Okay, and let's just dive into your reading. Okay, so all my information is in the description box. Kindly have a look. You can like and subscribe and hit the bell icon, घंटी ज़रूर दबाइए, so that you know when the next reading is uploaded. Essentially we try and keep the reading in English, but it's going to be a mix of Hindi and English. Okay, I'm going to read out your energies. I don't do reversals. I'm going to pull out the card, the core energy which is prevailing. It's a strictly love reading. Okay, the relationship message that you need to see right now. So cross watchers, please use your discernment. This is strictly for the sign we're talking about, Capricorn. Yay! Let's see. So you can tell me, Shivi, we like the reading, okay, by liking and subscribing. That would be really sweet. Okay, do like the reading, subscribe to the channel. Let's see my cards and the message we need to see. Message guys, blueberry. We need to see. Kanaji, what do we need to see for Capricorns? What is coming in for love? What are the love messages we need to see? What are the love messages we need to see? Show me. प्यार हुआ, इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल, कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल, मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल. So the songs really talk to me. It's like don't be surprised, shocked, whatever, but that's how the spirits also communicate. So ये song वो पीछे से भेजते हैं. मैं ऐसी मज़े के लिए नहीं गा रही हूँ, ये आया है आपके लिए. So basically the song means that it's a difficult road to love, okay, but you're saying I've had my lessons there, I'm taking my learnings now. Okay, something was not working out for you really well, but now it's kind of working. You see it more clearly. Show me the messages we need to see. Capricorns, Makar Rashi वालों के लिए what do we need to see? What do we need to see? Wow. Again, see, I can't make this up, right? Integrity. It's about seeing things clearly. It's about demonstrating the truth, the honesty of your soul, and manifesting love with your every action. Okay, so this basically is a very strong message for some Capricorns out there, because your journey hasn't been easy. It has been very rocky and topsy-turvy, with all the swings, the highs, the lows, and you've learned some big lessons over some relationships. Could be your previous relationship with the next didn't work out. Maybe you're dealing with a narcissist or something like that, in a very codependent kind of relationship. कुछ बहुत टॉक्सिक रहा, अच्छा नहीं रहा आपके लिए, लेकिन you're coming out. Please check your sun, moon and rising, okay, to get the exact picture. अगर आपकी रीडिंग नहीं है तो please don't fix it also. But now you have the willpower, and now you're trusting yourself more, because now you're seeing things clearly. With the full moon lunar eclipse happening, the solar and the lunar energies, sun and moon energies would be very strong. So manifest right, okay? Learn to manifest right. Please don't just watch the videos on YouTube and go doing it. Ask me. I don't do this for money. Message me. I can help you, okay? And I don't do this considering that this is not my bread and butter, right? I'm driven, I'm guided to do this. So you are saying that I let go of all the burden. I let go of all that was not serving me. I let go of all the past hurt, all the past pains, and I am ready to embrace love. That's the song that came, right? It came around like that you don't know the way. It seems a little rough, tough, unknown, but you're ready to go. So this is the core message prevailing for you. Let's see, what do we need to see, Michael Blueberry? So we pull out your tarot now as to what is the tarot showing us for Capricorns. What do we need to see for Capricorns? I see someone doing the work right, someone ready now. Someone saying, I want to go out, party, but yeah, COVID is very difficult, right? So that's the whole problem, that we all are stuck, but very important. That this is also like a learning that, you know, the universe has sent. But I hope that people understand it and see the bigger picture. Stop fighting things, Capricorns. Don't fight it. Don't fight the feeling. If you have something or some... My voice, again, as I said, the throat chakra, right? So it's about you fighting something, you holding back something. Maybe you want to tell something. My singers, if there's something that you want to tell somebody, that you love the person, you like the person, go out and tell the person by the full moon, okay? That would work. They're telling me to do 3 shuffles more. From the Mrs. Michael, that we need to see for the high school Blueberry. What do we need to see for Capricorns? Maybe somebody is watching like a sports channel. If you are, obviously there's something in this reading for you, men or women. Because thank you so much, my beautiful men as well, although we don't talk about gender, but amazing masculine energies who are watching the channel and sending love. Thank you. Means a lot. 2 of Swords. That's what it is. That conflicting mindset, that feeling of being at crossroad, like lesson, learning, to go for, not to go for, please do. Mercury has gone retrograde, right? So of course it plays. Trust me, it's in Gemini. Do see where it is for you in your chart. It is going to work out really well if you tell the person you're thinking about currently, जिनके बारे में आप सोच रहे हैं ना, please सोचिए. Is somebody watching news out there? I think someone is watching news. I think we all are in the COVID times, you know, hooked. But I don't think you should watch too much of television that way, because it kind of puts your spirits down. That's what I feel. Use your inner compass, okay, to see things clearly. 9 of Pentacles. You've got it all. As I said, you're dealing with the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn kind of vibe. Could be your energy too. You can, you know, fix it the way it is. But I honestly see this as an energy which is yours, because you're abundant. You have it all now. You have that understanding, because now you're manifesting with every action that has love. So आप प्रेम के experience से, love के experience से you're manifesting. So that would really pan out well, because that is how it is supposed to be, right? What you do from the state of love only gives love back. Okay, some people may say, no, it's never like that, I get hurt also and this and that. That's a different kind of vibe. What we're saying here is like, you know, when you say that I trust the heavenly bodies, I surrender myself and I know that they know my highest good, you're sorted. Like, you have that kind of growth understanding to you. You're prioritizing things now. That's how I see. Like, you're giving, maybe somebody's you know, spending more time with nature also. You are connecting to your root as well. Some people need to work on the root chakra, because I think that's something for you. Maybe you're foundationally, you need to set certain things right. You need to let go of certain patterns that were not serving you. Yeah, 5 of Cups. Certain things that are not benefiting you, certain things that were not of your good, that were putting you down, from taking you from this energy to this energy. They're saying, please restore that. Now is the time. Because now if you manifest now, about manifest करेंगे, तो वो definitely pan out करेगा. It's like that planting seeds kind of vibe. So here we're talking about somebody who knows your worth now. Somebody sees you in that light and says, you know what, I regret my decision of, you know, not sticking around with you. Maybe with somebody had walked out from the relationship, or you could have walked out from the relationship, Capricorns. So they're saying now they see your worth, they see your value, they see you as you. They see how potentially good you are with the 7 of Cups, your Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy it could be. that you've got so many options. You can do so much with whatever you want to do. Or maybe that's the fear they had with you, that maybe you've got a lot of options, Capricorns, and maybe the other person was thinking that they're not too good for you in that direction. They're not a perfect match for you. But what I really see is that you want to take it slow now. You don't want to rush it with the Page of Pentacles. You want to go bit by bit. You want to restore that balance. That is what the full moon is going to do for you, because it's going to take away the temptation. Anything that you were doing from the act of temptation, like not out of love, like the heart love, but like the physical engagement, 3D, three-dimensional engagement, that is going to go off, because that is why in the past I feel your partnerships were not successful. For some, your relationships were not working out, but this seems like a return is going to happen, but the return is going to happen a little slow for some. Okay, कोई वापस आएगा लेकिन slowly आ रहा है, because उसको ये rejection का fear है with you, whether you will take them back or not. Okay, they have that fear, but with that there's also the understanding that it's about your self-worth. It's about you knowing that, okay, you know what, I am ready to experience the real kind of love, that really raises my dopamine and all of that Visfotak kind of vibe. Don't fall for temptation, Capricorns. I feel, please don't fall in for temptation, because that can be too much to deal with, because you do have that tendency. Do keep prioritizing and learn from your experiences with the 9 of Wands. Like, go slow. Hold these swords with you for a while. That is going to pay you, because it's about not fixing people anymore. It's not about fixing situations anymore. It's about setting yourself right. Knowing that what is right for you, doing that for you. Okay. And seeing both the sides, like you're standing on this side, but you're also clearly watching now that, okay, why this happened, why the 5 of Cups energy came around, and why did we have to go through this? Because with the Hierophant, you've risen up, so you, like I said, it's there's a lot of fire energy I see. Aries, Leo, Sag, you could be dealing Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. Could be a Taurus, could be a Gemini. What I really sense out for you guys is that something very potential is around the corner. Something that didn't work out is going to work out. It is definitely about somebody returning, yes. It could be also about an existing relationship going to the next step. But you're going to take it slow. You're going to really take it slow, because you don't want to be at a crossroad anymore. You don't want to be confused anymore. You don't want to be treated like this anymore. You want to stay in this stage, because now you want to do things consciously in the aware energy. Because you've got options. Because that the world is my oyster. And you can't feel stuck. If the person doesn't treat you right, if the person feels that you're not treating them right, it is not your job to fix it every time. It is not your job to make the situation normal, right? So, sense of balance is being restored, which was lacking is coming around. So, let me just pull out a clarifier for the Capricorns. Michael, show me the clarifiers, please. Blueberry, what are the clarifiers we need to see for our Capricorns? Guys, if you like the reading, do like and subscribe. When the count grows, when the views grow, it really means a lot. मुझे ऐसा लगता है that I've done my job well, and since I do it out of sheer passion to help the community, help the spiritual community, and contribute to it, please do help me and help the channel grow. Okay, thanks. One more. Show me the clarifiers, Michael. We need to see for Capricorns. दिल है ये मेरा तो तेरा घर ये नहीं है तो no, something like that. It says that someone was taking something for granted. आप भी हो सकते हैं Capricorns, or could be the person you were dealing with was taking things for granted. Now they're saying no more. Now you're not going to do that, because now you're going to do things consciously. Maybe you're getting into the awareness that, Okay, you know, you should not take your things for granted. Be very grateful this full moon, guys. Yeah. With the Ten of Wands, it's like you're letting go. You're saying, yeah, no more fear. Please do watch the full moon and capsule reading, Capricorns. I'm going to pin it. It's a 2-hour long reading, but it's time stamped. Okay, do watch. I strongly feel you should watch. So it's about lessons and learnings, and you're making that change with the world. You've just completed that cycle. And you're saying, you know what, I am ready, with the Four of Wands at the bottom of the deck. So something which is very real, very solid, is going to knock at your door, is already there, and you're going to work towards it. आप उसकी तरफ काम करेंगे because आपको पता है कि वो बहुत lasting होने वाला है. It's going to really be very lasting, very rewarding, and it would help you, Capricorns, to rise above your fears. और आपको आपके ओल्ड हैबिट्स से वो रिलीज करता है बाय द फुल मून, एंड आप वो कॉन्शियसली करेंगे अब, बिकॉज यू रियली वांट समथिंग अमेजिंग, पावरफुल. ट्रस्ट मी, समथिंग अमेजिंग कमिंग, guys. Wow. Okay, my Capricorns, if the reading resonates, give us a like and subscribe, and do share. And I send you so much of love, and do watch, as I said, the other readings on the channel and support us. Okay, I love you. Bye.